can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Brother get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't 4PF, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket out promotion. Shout out sushi sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the op, we gotta slow. Run around with Trace, like we OVO. I got some rats and I was got a pass in the hood, all the deep and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck one.
There it is. I'm gonna get nice and lined up. Top dead. So you can see the little T, it's on this side. Then you got your dash, you wanna get that dash lined up. And then that's how your chain's gonna go on. That's how you know your bike's at top dead center. Everything's gonna be good as far as timing wise. But how this goes, you're gonna wanna put the out towards the outside. And how you'll do it is you'll just lift it up. Lift up your cam. And you want your cam lobes, which are these right here. You want them facing down. So, put this on. And you want to be very precise with this because it could damage your motor if you don't have it perfect. So we actually want to get this chain on here first, which I usually pop it down like this. We got to go back one more tooth. That's where you want it. Push your tensioner. It's gonna give you a little bit of slack. Here, hold on, we have to throw our other bearing in real quick. Alright. And say you want it to go straight flat across. I don't know if you guys can see that. So you want to go straight, you want your lines to be flat, and then your top one to be vertical. So horizontal and then vertical. And how you know for sure it's good, you want to push your tensioner, your chain tensioner. Put your finger in there and just push it. Make sure everything's nice and straight. Like I said, you want your cam lobes down. And these holes will be on this side. That's how you know your top dead center. Or that's how you know your cam's set and your timing chain is set right. And then you just want to make sure your chain's on there nice, which it is. And now what we'll do with a little bit of lube on the cam, and then we'll go ahead and throw our cam tensioner on. Oh, I don't even know if I'm recording. Oh yeah, we're recording. All right, cool. So you're gonna want to lube all that up and then throw your chain tensioner on. So we're gonna throw this on next, and you're gonna want to tighten that to 9 pounds foot torque and go from there. You want to take this out. Oop. So it's not as hard to put in. Just supposed to release the, or make it loose, but it's not seeming to do that, so we're just gonna throw it in. Why is this stuck? It's supposed to get loose. We're just gonna throw the old one back on. I'm not dealing with it. You usually want to take this bolt off so you can get the tensioner on there, because it'll depress, or it should depress. I don't know why that brand new one won't depress at all, but